Welcome to Achievement. Let's learn general knowledge questions about animals and birds. Part 2 guys, it's all about animals and birds. Are you ready? Okay. Question: the bird which lays more than 100 eggs? Answer: ostrich. Which of the following has no skeleton at all? Answer: jellyfish. Question: which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creature? Answer: humpback whale. Name the bird that migrates from North Pole to South Pole and back. Answer: Arctic tern. Question: pashmina shawl is made from the hair of. Answer: goat. Question: the country in which yak is found? Answer: Tibet. Question: in which of the following animals respiration done by skin? Answer: frog. Question: the fastest moving insect in the world is? Answer: tropical cockroach. Question: a bird which lays only one egg in 2 years is the? Answer: albatross. Question: the first tiger reserve in India to officially introduce a mascot, which has been named Barasingha is? Answer: Kanha Tiger Reserve. Question: the fish that can taste with its whole body? Answer: catfish. Question: which of the following is the national aquatic animal of the India? Answer: dolphin. Question: name the only animal that dislikes white color? Answer: tiger. Question: how much water can be used by the camel in drinking in the single time? Answer: up to 100 litre. Question: the Bhindwas Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer: Haryana. Question: kiwi is the native bird of which of the following countries? Answer: New Zealand. Question: the dolphin is? Answer: mammal. Question: what animal has worst memory? Answer: elephant. Question: what is fastest swimming fish? Answer: sailfish. Question: which one of the following is not a true snake? Answer: glass snake. Glass snake is a lizard. Question: which of the following has the largest eyes of all land mammals? Answer: horse. Question: for which one of the following snakes is the diet mainly composed of other snakes? Answer: king cobra. Question: what kind of animal is dhole? Answer: wild dog. Question: how many legs does a butterfly have? Answer: 6. Question: among the following animals, the figures of which are found in the state emblem of India? Answer: horse and bull. Congratulations, you have completed a part today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more amazing learning.